Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best mold test kit. Here are the top 3 mold test kits that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. ImmunoLytics Value Test Kit. It comes with multiple test kits that can be used to perform mold tests in different rooms. The mold kit comes with a detailed instruction manual that assists in using the test kit to get better results. Each test plate is of good size and can store samples of up to 14 x 14 feet or approximately 200 square feet of rooms. No additional costs are required for sending and receiving mold samples from the laboratory. The laboratory report is detailed and easy to understand. The user can call the laboratory to get a free consultation from the mold experts. At number 2. Healthful Home 5-Minute Mold Test. There is no need to collect, send, and wait for the lab report. This mold test kit can give you instant mold detection results within minutes. The mold test kit can detect the black molds that are often missed in the air sampling technique. Only 3 steps are to be done, and the mold results come in front of you within 5 minutes. Although it is a DIY mold test kit, there are nasal swabs and envelopes in the box if you need further confirmation from the laboratory. It is considered the most sensitive mold test kit that works on patented technology by U.SP.H.S, ensuring the accurate results. At number 1. ProLab Mold Test Kit for Home. The instruction manual comes with easy-to-understand instructions that help the user to use the mold kit appropriately. Petri dish and nasal swab help collect and store the mold sample that can be used for laboratory testing. The mold test kit comes equipped with an envelope that allows the user to pack the mold samples adequately and send them for testing. The test report comes with all the details about mold detection, pollens and allergens. A mold application for smart gadgets helps the user keep track of reports and samples anytime, anywhere. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.